Welcome back guys. In the course, in this lecture we will talk about PHP mail function. PHP mail function is used to send emails using PHP from your own script. So this is very simple function in PHP. First of all, I will make a copy of this page and we'll say PHP mail.php. This will be the page, and now I will remove this whole thing, and in here I will write this syntax. First of all, using PHP email, I am writing in a comment using PHP mail function. Only four parameters are necessary. Yes, 4 parameters are very necessary, which must be added while sending emails, but you can also add extra headers or extra parameters. So first of all, this is mail function, simple, very simple function. Inside this you have to add 4 parameters, like in double quotes you can write the text like the first one, to whom to which person you are sending the email. For example, you said I am sending this to abc@yahoo.com. This is the person. The first parameter is this. Then just add a comma. After the comma, say what is the subject of this email. You say just hello is the subject. Now again comma, then double quotes, and the third thing is the message. What is the message? So you say, hey, how are you? This is the message. Just now the next comma, then you have to add the next comma, and the last thing is who is actually sending this email. For example, I'll say awpareshan@gmail.com. so this is whole the email, and when you just refresh this page or just visit this page, this email will be sent using PHP mail function. Who is sending the email? Sorry, to whom the email is being sent? What is the subject of the email? What is the message itself in the email? And who is sending this email? These 4 parameters, simple. You can do something like this. You can create 4 variables like to, subject, message, and from. These 4 variables basically. Now assign a value to this, to equal to, for example, a person, whoever you are sending the email to. For example, abc@gmail.com is the person to whom you want to send this email. Subject will be equal to hello buddy, and message will be equal to hey, what's up, let's go to cinema tomorrow. This is the message, and who is sending this email. For example, xyz@yahoo.com is sending the email. That's it. Now this will be very nice. You can remove this all from the email and just say first is two variables, then comma, because these are variables, these are not string values, so you can add them directly without any quotes or any double commas. So this next is the sub, subject, third one is the message itself, and fourth one is from. And we'll say echo this page. If this function is being executed, then we say nh2 tag, email sent successfully. Control S to save. Now come here to the page, and here is the PHP mail.php. Click it, and email sent successfully. So this page has sent an email basically but we will not see that email in our inbox right now because we are working on the local host. When you upload this file to online web server, you will directly receive an email from this email to this email, sorry, from this email to this email. It's very easy function in PHP, but I will suggest you to also use headers and a secure email, because this is very simple method of sending email, but you can use a secure as well. Anyways, this will work on online server. It will not work on the local host, because local computer we cannot send an email. But I wanted to tell you the simplest method of using this PHP mail, and in a later project or maybe somewhere in a form we'll be using this practically, and we'll be actually sending emails, or you can use this email function for feedback or for contact us page, where people can send you an email or can send you something. So you can just take their email, and you can send their email you can save in the from variable, local variable, and you can save the message from the text area or from the input field, and the subject you can also take from the input field. And two, you can add your email here, so emails will be sent to you, whoever is contacting you. And I will try to add a small project on this as well. So this was about PHP email. Now in the next lecture we'll talk about PHP filters, so stay tuned.